Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for January 27th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair moved lower but did close higher. Overall bias is moving to the downside. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as low as 9 or as high as 90.56, possibly as low as 88.55. Look for some resistance around 90.33. And look for some support around 89.10. Now, looking at the the Euro USD, this particular pair closed lower today. It is moving lower with a bias to the downside. If we do get a reversal, look for it to potentially go as high as 141.60, possibly as low as 139.22. Look for some resistance around 4,000, and look for that should be 4,100, and look for some support around 139.90. Okay, now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved a great deal today, did close up for the day, did create an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 163.29, possibly as low as 160.15. Look for some resistance around 162.50. And look for some support around 160.15. Okay, now the US Swiss, this pair moved higher, closed above previous resistance. It is moving higher with bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 105.79, possibly as low as 103.98. Look for some resistance around 105.25, and look for some support around 104.44. Now, we do have the European Union releasing the German unemployment change at 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have moved from a negative 3K to 15K. We also have the U.S. releasing their durable good orders for December at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have improved from 0.2% to a solid 2%. We also have the Japanese releasing their CPI for January at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is things have moved from a negative 1.9% to a negative 1.7%. So overall, definitely looking for improvement there. Now, if we get a breakout to kind of what I'm looking at, we have the pound US dollar pair did create an inside bar. I am looking for a potential breakout of this. If we move to the downside, definitely looking for it to tag this low here. It's a very good move, about 100 pips or more is what I'm looking for to the downside if we get a sell. So definitely keep an eye on this one. If we get a breakout to the upside, looking for this trend line to be broken, or this horizontal line to be broken at the high here. On that, it is looking pretty. Sorry about that. It is looking pretty good as far as the number of pips. Looking for here around 75 pips or so. To the downside, looking for a little bit more. 300 pips. We possibly could get out right around. Get a breakout to the downside. Be cautious of this low at 15 pips down. We could get some support there, or possibly here around 50 pips, but I still see it going 100, 120 pips to the downside if we get a breakout in that direction. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.